So here we are at Westport at the Early Learning Centre, and a few months ago this place just got smashed by a massive storm. The building was insured, however the playground just got annihilated. That wasn't insured.
It was just devastating. The water out in the playground was waist high in some parts. It had been through the whole centre.
We wanted to do something special for the kids. Obviously the playground's been flooded and parts of it have been contaminated, and we wanted just to give it a bit of a revamp and give the kids something really cool to look forward to when they came back.
Troy Scanlon's not the best on the tools, I should say, and he's probably the first to put his hand up for that, but he's amazing at getting people active and involved in this town. We're here today with a whole lot of builders and helpers. So what I've decided to do is build a pirate ship that's about 10 metres long and about 5 metres wide. We've got a new concrete path going down the side so the kids can carry on with their bike track going right around the pirate ship. We're going to put all new ready lawn down there, some new gardens and planter boxes. We've got a sensory path and a new little house. And one of the main things we've got to do is get all our painting and staining done.
Hopefully we'll win the race to get the stain on before the rain comes.
This might be the boat that saves us for the weather we're about to get, actually.
Might be. Looks fantastic.
Hi ho, hi ho.
Oh, our job is to nut out the bell of this pirate ship that Stan wants, but who knows what's in Stan's mind.
Yeah, that looks good there.
It's amazing. The pirate ship is going to be a massive hit.
West Coasters, eh? They've been threatening us East Coasters about this rain. I think they think we're scared of it or something. I'm not going very good at all, actually. We're quite far behind and the rain is not easing up. You don't want to expect too much of the guys, but they're not going anywhere. They're just cracking into it faster than ever. He said, come to Westport, it'll be like old times. I forgot old times was when it was raining last time I was here.
It was not, it was fine.
I think if you had a look under the dictionary under community spirit, there'd be a picture of Westport.
Yeah, so the flood was pretty devastating, to be honest. Over 400 houses or buildings affected. Huge impact on the town, but the town's very resilient.
I hear through the grapevine that Troy and other members of the community nominated us for this.
I was stoked. I couldn't believe it. You know, it was just like Christmas, really. After everything we've been through, it couldn't have come at a better time.
You can't ask for better support from a local Mitre 10, so yeah, an epic story and an epic end, yeah.
Pull it a bit tighter.
Yeah, we're on home straight, aren't we?
Yep. It's been a massive effort by everyone, and by crikey, it's a thing of beauty though. I'm pretty stoked.
Unbelievable community spirit coming together, it's great.
Honestly, it's like a dream. It's amazing.
That there is a wrap.
You know, words cannot describe, and all the help that Troy, Mitre 10, everyone has done to make this happen. Honestly, heartwarming, absolutely.
Such a lovely community. I've been so well looked after. Whitebait and crayfish. This is one of my favourite spots in the whole wide world, so it's real cool.